Good evening, friends. This is Suvi. As we all know, our country is facing a very fatal disease, COVID 19. So, our Prime Minister has announced lockdown all over the country. Due to this disease, the students are mostly affected because they are unable to do the proper study at school. So, our school SMBSS English Academy has started online classes for the betterment of the students. Today, myself, Suvi, is presenting my topic Simple Interest from Mathematics. The question is, what is interest? When a certain money we borrow to someone and we use that money, and after some time we return that money that person for a certain time with extra charge, so that extra charge is called the interest. The formula of simple interest is P multi R multi T upon 100. Simple interest SI. P means principal, R means rate, that is always in percent form, T is time, that is always in years. If the time sometimes given in the month and days, so we change it into years. For finding the amount, the formula is principal plus interest. It means the money we have and the interest we get, that is called amount, the total money. In common way, when we go to a bank and deposit a certain money to a certain period of time and a certain rate of interest, so after some time we receive the money with interest. So the extra money, that is called the interest, and the whole money, that is called amount. Suppose one question is given here. I am given an example. Suppose a certain money, it means principal equal 5,000 rupees and the time equal 3 years and the rate equal 6%. It means suppose we go a bank and deposit 5,000 rupees for 3 years and the bank rate of interest is 6%. So the simple interest will be P multi R multi T upon 100. The formula that is given here. 5,000 multi R, the value of R is 6 multi 3 upon 100. This is in percent form, so always we divide by 100 and we solve it here. 50 multi 18, this is equal 900 rupees. The interest equal 900. So if we deposit 5,000 rupees for 3 years at a 6% per annum, so the bank will give us the interest 900 rupees and the amount will be 5,000 plus 900. The total amount will be 5,900 rupees after 3 years. So the simple interest depend on these things: rate, principal and time. This is enough. My topic has finished. Thank you everyone. Stay happy and stay healthy. Thank you.